start with a slip knot. And chain 90, or else you can start off with any even number of chains. One single crochet in the second chain from the hook, 1 and 2, this one. Now we'll start with the stitch pattern. We'll do a 3 single crochet together stitch. Insert a hook into the same stitch which you have done now, this one, and pull up a loop. 2 loops on the hook. Insert a hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop. 3 loops on the hook, and finally insert a hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop. 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the 4 loops and chain 1. And while doing the chain 1, just pull up this loop a bit. This way it will be easy to make the stitches in the next round. Chain 1. This is 1 3 single crochet together stitch done. Now the next stitch will start in the same stitch as this last one, this one. 2 loops on the hook, insert hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop. 3 loops, insert hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop. 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all and chain 1. And while doing the chain 1, just pull up this loop a bit, then do the chain 1. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. Start in the same stitch as the last one. 1, 2 and 3. 4 loops, yarn over, pull through all the 4 loops, pull this loop a bit and chain 1. Same stitch, 1, next stitch, 2, next stitch, 3, 4 loops, yarn over, pull through all the 4 loops, pull this yarn a bit and chain 1. Now continue with the stitches. 1, 2, 3, all the loops, chain 1. At the end, you will have 2 stitches left. Make the last set of stitches. This is the same stitch. 1, 2 and 3. 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the 4 loops. And here, instead of doing the chain 1, we'll do a single crochet in the last stitch, this one. Chain 1 and turn your work. Next one, start with 1 single crochet in the first stitch, this one. And now we'll start with the stitch pattern. Insert hook into the same stitch as the last stitch, 1, next stitch, 2, next stitch, 3, 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the 4 loops, pull this loop a bit and chain 1. That's 1 stitch complete. Continue with the stitch pattern. Insert hook into the same stitch as the last one, 1, next stitch, 2 and the next stitch, 3, pull through all, pull this loop a bit and chain 1. Now repeat this until the end. Same stitch, next stitch, next stitch. This is the chain 1 which we do. Pull through all, pull this up a bit and chain 1. Same stitch, next stitch, next stitch, pull through all and chain 1. Do the last set of stitches, same stitch, 1, 2, and this is the last stitch. 4 loops on the hook, pull through all, and instead of a chain 1, we'll finish it off with a single crochet in the last stitch, chain 1, and turn your work. Now just keep repeating this round until you reach the size which you need. 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Start with the stitch pattern, same stitch, next stitch, next stitch, 4 loops, pull through all, pull this up a bit and chain 1. This is how the stitch pattern will look. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.